Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to introduce you to a 2013 Coachmen Freelander. It has approximately 37,000 miles on it and is in absolutely fabulous condition. Let's take a peek. First off, pay attention to the storage. This coach does have plenty of it. We have a nice box right here. There's room for an outside TV. It's wired, ready to go. Another big storage box here. And a massive amount in the back. Barbecue grills, lawn chairs, you can get it all in there. It does have a backup camera, so you can see what you hit when you ran into it. You've got your trailer hitch, so if you want to tow your toys behind you, you certainly can. It is a gel-coated fiberglass wall. Behind glass walls, they are easier to keep clean. Tires have all been replaced. Running boards. Updated grill. And a 450 chassis, the 1.5 ton chassis, does give you bigger brakes and bigger stabilizer bars. Inside is absolutely gorgeous. Your wood floor throughout. The type of material this company is using has a very nice feel to it. The cherry wood cabinets, very popular. The U-shaped dinette, very popular. Anything with a big slide is a very desirable unit. It will sleep 8 people. Notice the counter space, the position of the TV directly across from the sofa. Plenty of room in the head, has nice space, hair dryers and what have you. Got 2 nice closets back in the bedroom. Obviously this is the hers, and this of course will be the his because it is smaller. Very light, very airy coach. Very desirable. So folks, come on down, take a look. Johnson RVs.